how to enable and disable secret conversation in Messenger. So first things first, for you to be able to have this kind of special feature on Messenger app, make sure that you are using the updated or the latest version of the application. Just head out into App Store and update your Messenger application. Once you're here, just go straight into the three lines located at the lower right portion of your screen. Scroll down and then head over into the settings. From here, scroll down and then go into privacy and safety, and then just simply choose on end-to-end encrypted chats, and then message storage. So as you can see at the lower portion of message storage, you are able to see turn off secure storage, which means this is turned on. For you to be able to turn it off, just simply press this red message at the bottom part of the screen right here for you to be able to turn it off. And then if you turn it back on, you'll have to create a specific key or a pin for you to be able to access it. And that is how you enable and disable secret conversation in Messenger.